Hey guys, today I am going to share to you how I made my Chinese evergreen plants. Before you proceed into cutting the pieces, make sure that you have sprayed the printed image with a transparent sealer. Don't forget to check out the description box for the materials and the link. For this project, you need to have a good printer to be able to print a realistic looking leaves. Also, I included 3 varieties of the plants. Cut the printed image, and this should be easy because there's not so much corner to cut, unlike the monstera plants. And here are the cutouts, and they already look good. As you can see, the back of the plants have the prints. Honestly, I tried to print the image on the other side hoping it would print on the same spot, but it didn't, so here's why the back looks like this. Anyway, I am going to paint the back with these 2 shades of green. I won't do anything special here, so I'm just gonna mix and then paint it directly on the back. After the paint is dry, you can start curling the leaves, and I am using a lollipop stick here to do that. You can also use any other material as long as it is round shape. Next, prepare the floral wire to use as a stem. Make a loop using a round nose pliers and add glue, and then glue the loop to the back of the leaves. Next, you can arrange the leaves. Here I am using different bottle cups, and this gold cup is from a foundation bottle, and the other cups that I am using are from a small spray bottles. Like the previous plant tutorial, I added a styrofoam in the bottom of the pot and glued and sticked the stems. And then lastly, I add some green pebbles to cover the styrofoam. That's it guys, another plant tutorial to add to your collection. Thank you for watching this tutorial and good luck to your new project. Bye bye and see you next time.